Just doing a quick low light test, and I feel like the Galaxy S10 front camera. Well, I don't feel like it. I just compared it to the Galaxy Note 9 front camera, and low light performance is much better than the Galaxy Note 9, which is the latest Samsung Galaxy before the Galaxy S10. Also, you will notice the focusing actually does work. I've got it focused on my nose right now, and you'll see the background sort of blur out, which is really nice feature. A lot of the previous Galaxy did not have anything like this. Really like the front camera because you could do 4K video recording, which really improves the image quality. In low light, it does improve quite a ton if you do a side-by-side comparison. So really like it, and you can see how well it focuses. Let's see how close this focuses here. So that's about 2 inches. It focuses close up to 2 inches. You can see how my face blurred out, so that's nice bokeh, and immediately focuses back on my face. So I really like the fact that a lot of other phones, they don't have front-facing camera focusing, but Galaxy series has been doing this since I think last year or the year before that. And this is great when you make vlogs and stuff, and let's say, oh, I'm making a video, and then I'm like, oh, you want to see this, and you put it right in front of the camera, you get a nice bokeh. Look at how awesome that is. And let's say it doesn't, the autofocus, then you can do manual focus just like that. Oh, that is an awesome feature. And the fact that you can do 4K, and put it on autofocus now. So a lot of good things to like about the front camera. They have literally improved it a ton, not a ton, but probably a ton from the Galaxy Note 9 series and the Galaxy S9. So really like that. Only thing the Galaxy's missing, you've probably seen my other videos that I uploaded earlier in the wind. The audio quality was really bad. That's just due to the fact that Samsung has nothing of a noise reduction feature, while a lot of LGs do. I bet you if I use any of my LGs, like LG V40, in the same wind conditions, and if I use a wind reduction mode on the LGs, it's gonna fare a lot better. But I'm not too big on sound too much, because I would actually use a separate microphone anyways if I want to make a serious video. That you would want to use a separate microphone in a condition like that anyways. But I really love the front camera, especially in low light, better low light performance. That is 4K, and yeah, I really love it. It's it's definitely a vlogger's camera now, and the stabilization is also very good. I mean, I didn't realize this because I guess you can't see the stabilization while recording, but after you'll be able to, after when you play it back, you'll be able to see it. Anyway, what do you guys think of low light performance of the front camera in the 4K? Do let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys on the next one. As always, stay.